Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make nachos in the microwave. First, arrange a single layer of tortilla chips on a microwave-safe plate. Next, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese evenly over the chips. You can use cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend for the best flavor. This initial layer ensures every chip gets some cheesy goodness. Now, let's add more flavor. Place a second layer of tortilla chips on top of the first, then add another 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. This layering technique helps distribute the cheese and toppings throughout your nachos. Feel free to add your favorite cooked toppings now, such as a tablespoon of diced jalapenos or a few spoonfuls of seasoned ground beef. It's time to cook. Place your plate of nachos into the microwave. Heat them on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Keep a close eye on them as microwave ovens vary in power. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and bubbly, but not burnt. If your microwave is powerful, start with 30 seconds and add more time if needed. Once the cheese is melted, carefully remove the hot plate from the microwave. Now for the final touches. You can add cool toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of fresh guacamole, or some chopped cilantro. These fresh additions provide a wonderful contrast to the warm, cheesy chips. Your quick and easy microwave nachos are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.